It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
If you're dealing with depression or anxiety, relief may sometimes feel hard to find, but over at Sunrise Psychiatry, they want to help. And today I'm joined by Dr. Sunny Elliott and one of her patients, Emily Ferrara, to learn all about it. Good morning, ladies. Thanks for being here today.
Good morning.
So you all have a treatment called TMS that helps with depression and anxiety. Can you tell me more about TMS?
For sure. So TMS stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation. It's an FDA-approved treatment for depression and anxiety that can be performed in the office setting. That is very easy to tolerate, very low side effects, and definitely helps more than medications typically are able to do.
Okay, so Emily, I want to come over to you. Can you tell me about your experience going through TMS?
Yeah, for sure. It was super easy. Dr. Elliott's staff made me feel very comfortable. They walked me through the process very well, so I always knew what to expect. I would go in, it was a daily treatment, so I would go into her office first thing in the morning before work started and just knock that out real quick. It took about 15-20 minutes of my day. And then I would go about the rest of my day. No side effects or anything really from it. And it's honestly been so effective. It's been very helpful.
Yeah. How is TMS compared to other depression treatments that you might have tried?
Yeah, so like most people, I've tried medication and lifestyle changes to try and kind of shift my brain chemistry, and it never really worked, honestly. I would have side effects and it wasn't even actually doing what I wanted it to do. So with TMS, that was not the case at all. I had no side effects from it, and I've seen the most improvement that I've ever seen from any treatment.
So what would you say to someone who might be struggling with depression and thinking about trying TMS?
Yeah, I would say don't be afraid to ask questions. It's something that a lot of people are not familiar with, so definitely don't be afraid to ask about it. And then also just understand that your improvements will continue even after the treatment has completed. So I'm now 6 months post-treatment, and I think I've finally reached full maximum benefit of it, and it's been great.
Fantastic, I love that. Okay, so people want to learn more about Sunrise Psychiatry or TMS, how can they do that?
For sure, we encourage people to give us a call or to definitely go to our website. We want to answer any questions anyone may have.
Fantastic. All right, thank you ladies so much for being here today.
Thank you so much.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Sunrise Psychiatry. For more information, visit sunrisepsych.kc.com.